Here we have a 2017 Toyota Sienna XLE Premium with 53,000 original miles, VMI Northstar conversion, handicap wheelchair van. Side entry, dual side doors, does have the kneeling function, as a power in-floor ramp, high weight capacity. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns. The vehicle has a clean title, clean Carfax. We purchased from the previous owner directly. She took great care of the van. It's in excellent shape. 53,000 original miles. VMI Northstar conversion, high quality conversion. It's been fully serviced. It's ready to go. I'll point out any flaws in and around the vehicle. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Call or text us at 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. It's a beautiful van, beautiful paint, leather interior, sunroof, all your apps, dual power doors. Wheels are in excellent shape. Tires are about 50% good. They're in good shape. There's nothing to do on this van. It's in excellent shape. It's 2017, 53,000 miles. It's a southern van. It's rust-free. No issues with that. Excellent, excellent condition. So, sunroof, leather. Give us a call anytime, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors USA, Boca Raton, Florida. Been in business 46 years. We specialize in handicap vans, wheelchair vans, specialty vehicles, conversion vans. We take all types of trades. We do have financing available. Give us a call at any time if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're going to give away a van to a lucky customer. Give us a call anytime. 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help. Beautiful leather interior, sunroof. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. 2 key fobs. Beautiful inside and out. 53,875 miles. That could change with demonstrating purposes. The van does have the kneeling function, as you can see. Give us a call. Beautiful wood grain, big screen, alloy wheels. Everything's in excellent shape. There's hardly anything to point out here. There's very few little flaws just from normal wear and tear. Got all the books and manuals here. Everything is here and good to go. Got your big screen here. You got heated seats, of course. Again, 2 key fobs, smart keys. All your controls here. Awesome setup. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. These seats do come out. It is a fully lowered floor. If you wanted to go ahead and take the seats out, you could ride up front in your chair if you wanted to. You do have L-track tie-down points in the floor. Again, fully loaded leather. Beautiful shape, clean title, no stories. We do have financing available if you need help with that. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Boca Raton, Florida. Show you how the lift works here. Crazy. You can also use the remote key fob for this. Showing you how everything works here. It's awesome setup. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help. Does have a little scratch here on the fender and a little scratch here on the door. Nothing major, just two small fine scratches. Got the second power door here. Just giving you the full tour so you can see exactly what you're looking at. Beautiful van. Give us a call. 2017 Sienna XLE Premium. Supreme Motors USA, Boca Raton, Florida. Check us out. Only 5-star reviews. Do our best. 46 years of business. Thank you so much.